the tap in TikTok trend, which is very popular and is a trend I really like. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's get started. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go. So very first thing we're gonna do is, she says tap, tap, tap. So we're gonna tap 3 times. It doesn't matter where. You can do it like this or like this, however you want. So remember to do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna go 1, 2. So we're just gonna cross our arms. It doesn't matter which arm is on top of which. Just remember to cross them. And then we're gonna go right, left, and then we're gonna go 2. So our hands are in fists. So from the beginning, tap, 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 cross, cross, 2. Okay, so after this, people do it differently, but this is how I do it. We're gonna put our hands on any of our legs, and then the other one, we're just gonna pop it or twist it like that, and then do it on the other side. So from the beginning, it's gonna look like this. Tap, 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 cross, cross, 2, and then we're gonna go 1, 2. So like that. If it's not easy for you to do it like this, then you can just do it differently, however you want. So after this, we're gonna go right, left, so our hands go to the sides, and then we're gonna do the helicopter or the butterfly. People call it differently. So I'm gonna show you how to do it because many people ask, how do you do the butterfly? So I'm just gonna show you. It's easier for you if you do it with a hair tie over here around both your wrists, but you can learn how to do it like this. So first your hands go like this, and you're gonna go 1 palm faces forward, 2, both palms face forward, then the other palm faces forward, and then none faces forward. So now we have to do the same thing but slow. 1, 2. So once you've practiced that a couple of times, you can go faster and faster and faster and faster, and that's it. That's the butterfly. So as you can see, it's really easy to learn. Actually, it looks hard, but it's actually not. So let's keep on. So from the beginning, tap, 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 cross, cross, 2, pop, pop, right, left, butterfly. So I don't know if you can see it, but it's just over our head. We're doing a butterfly, and then we're gonna go 1, 2. So I don't know how to call this move. Just we are pointing forward, and we're going 1, 2. Just fast. 1, 2, and then we're gonna go 3, and then we're going 1, 2. So first we are covering our face, and then we're gonna straighten our arms. So let's start from the beginning, and then we'll go on because we don't have much left. Let's go. Tap, 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 cross, cross, 2, pop, pop, right, left, butterfly, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then we're gonna do the same thing. 3, 4. But as you can see in the first one, our elbows go to the side. We're not gonna cover our face. We're gonna do this. So from here, it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just practice that a couple times and you will get it. And now, after this, here comes the easiest part. We're just gonna cross our legs. We're gonna turn around. It doesn't matter how you turn around, just do it however you want. So 1, 2, and then she says, swipe, swipe. So we can do it either like this, swipe, swipe, or just swipe, swipe, however you want. So 1, 2, and that's the whole dance. So let's do it from the very beginning. We're gonna do it twice. Once slow and then faster. So you can do this. Let's go. Tap, 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 cross, cross, 2. Pop, pop, right, left, helicopter. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross, turn around, swipe, swipe. And then just do any pose that's right in. Now we're gonna do the same thing but faster, and we are done. So let's go. Tap, tap, tap. 1, 2, 3. Pop, pop. Right, left, helicopter. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross, turn around, swipe, that's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon.